What do I need to know about stairs? Today I want to answer that question to help. Never mind. Today I want to answer that question to help you know whether or not cable railing is right for your project. I'm Chris from Cable Bullet, and I'll be your cable railing expert for today. Stairs can really complicate your project, and there are a multitude of different styles and configurations that make it nearly impossible to have a one-size-fits-all approach to railing. Instead, it's better to have an understanding of the different components of your stairs and how they might affect your project so you can get an accurate estimate. Let's dive into a few specific terms and why they're important. The rise of your stairs refers to the vertical step up on each individual tread. The run of your stairs is the horizontal distance from the nosing of the previous step to the nosing of the current step. Now, these are important terms to know for any stair project. Your stringers are the main support pieces for your steps and risers. In terms of design, your stringer can be closed or opened on either side of your stairs or centrally located as a monostringer. Stringers have a big impact on where you can place posts and how they're mounted. Specifically, you need proper blocking to ensure the structural integrity of your railing. The design of your stairs, and especially your stringer, is also going to determine what options you have for post mounts, whether you have to do a top mount post or you can do a side mount post, and which one is going to work best. The design of your stairs is also going to have an impact on whether or not you can make your transitions or your corners with a single post, or whether you need a 2-post or even in some rare cases a 3-post configuration. Lastly, the pitch of your stairs, sometimes called the rake, refers to the general angle of descent. When you run handrail and cables, you want to match the pitch of your stairs. This has an impact on the position of your posts and what angle to make your bevel cuts when working with handrail, assuming you want your railing to run in one continuous section. Landings and top steps can also have big consequences for your railing. Due to the number of posts and components needed for a landing, the cost of your stairs can easily match the cost of any non-stair railing. And likewise, if your top step is level with your deck, you could be looking at additional posts and more complicated layouts, which we mentioned before would be those 2 and sometimes even 3-post transitions. As I said, stairs are nuanced. Keep these things in mind to avoid any headaches, and let us help you out. There's no such thing as too much information when we're quoting a stair project. Give our support team a call with any questions that are specific to your stairs. Now, hopefully this gives you a foundational understanding of how your stairs relate to installing cable railing. Be sure to leave any questions in the comments below and start your project today at cablebullet.com.